फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो अब हम कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश का टॉपिक। तो इस टॉपिक का नाम है वन सब्स्टिट्यूशनल वर्ड। तो पहला पार्ट मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया है, तो हम सेकंड पार्ट में देखते हैं कितने क्वेश्चंस आज हम कर पाते हैं। तो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इनएबिलिटी टू स्लीप is called as a insomnia. One who believe in giving the equal opportunity to women in all field. वन वो बिलीव, ऐसा बंदा जो बिलीव करता हो इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए वीमेन को हर फील्ड में, से कहते हैं फेमिनिस्ट। टू हैव वेरी हाई ओपिनियन अबाउट वन सेल्फ टू हैव वेरी हाई ओपिनियन अबाउट वन सेल्फ इज़ कॉल्ड कॉन्सिटेड कहते हैं। प्लेस ऑफ बर्नल स्पेशली नॉट फॉर चर्च यार्ड, स्पेस जहाँ पे जलाया जाता है उसे कहते हैं सीमेंट्री। पर्सन हु इज़ ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल फॉर लुकिंग अपॉन द ब्राइटर साइड ऑफ द थिंग्स, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कहते हैं। ऐसा पर्सन who is always hopeful and look upon the brighter side of the things, optimistic. A occasion of the great importance is called mementos. Government by ruler who has been unlimited power, autocracy. Government by ruler who has unlimited power is called autocracy. One who generally from place to place alternate, that which cannot be called back, irrevocable. The state of being miserable, bereft of all possession. The state of being miserable, bereft of all possession, destitute. A picture of a person or thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner to cause a laughter. A picture of a person, कोई पिक्चर जो पर्सन की, thing drawn in such highly exaggerated manner to cause a laughter, it is called carry capture. Belief that God is anything, believe करना God is everything and that everything is a God. God ही सब कुछ है और सब कुछ ही God है, तो इसे कहते हैं हम पैंथिज्म। वन who break at the law, ऐसा जो ब्रेक करे लॉ को उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसग्रेजर कहते हैं। जो ब्रेक करे लॉ को उसे कहते हैं ट्रांसग्रेजर। दैट विच कैन नॉट बी कैप्चर इज कॉल्ड अनग्रेपेबल। उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? अनग्रेपेबल। रिप्रोड्यूसिंग और मेमोराइजिंग वर्ड फॉर वर्ड इज कॉल्ड बैवरेटम। उसे कहते हैं वाइब्रेटम। क्या कहते हैं? रिप्रोड्यूस करना और मेमोराइजिंग करना वर्ड फॉर वर्ड, जो कि मैं भी कर रही हूँ। रिप्रोड्यूस तो नहीं कर रही, बट मेमोराइजिंग वर्ड बाय वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एज ए बैब्रेटम। Carefully spending of money on time is called economical. Study of insect is called etymology. Science of the race of the mankind, ethnology. Detaining and confining something is called internamate कहते हैं। One who is criticize the popular belief which he think is mistaken or unwise. One who criticize popular belief which he think is mistaken or unwise, iconoclast. Impossible to describe is called infable. A lender hand device to restore it to in order to justify his misconduct. In underline, impossible to describe is called infable. Impossible to discuss is called infable. One who criticizes a popular belief which is think is mistaken or unwise is called iconoclast. Underline, an underline device resort is to in order to justify misconduct is called monovirus. The animal of popular religion is called fauna. The animal is particularly reason, कोई animal अगर particular reason उसे कहते हैं fauna. An innoment over and above fixed salary, innoment over a fixed salary is called prejudice. An unexpected piece of good future, unexpected piece of good future is called windfall. Unexpected piece of the good future is called windfall. क्ल्यू अवेलेबल एट द सीन, कोई क्ल्यू अवेलेबल होना सीन्स का उसे कहते हैं सरकमस्टेशनल. One hide always in a ship or passenger. One hide always in a ship or passenger vehicle to obtain fire passage is called a stowaway. One who is the citizen, one who is in a citizen, not a country but of the world is called cosmopolitan. Circular building or hall with the dome, circular building on hall on dome is called rotonda. A use of many word where only a few are necessary, use of many word where only few are necessary is called circumlocution. A continued process of change known as flux, a continuous process known as flux. An involuntary action under a stimulus is described as a reflex. Determine the nature of the disease, determine करना नेचर क्या है डिसीज का, इज कॉल्ड डायग्नोसिस. अकरिंग एट अ नाइट इज कॉल्ड नो कंट्रोल. एग्रीमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू अकरेंस इज कॉल्ड क्रोनोलॉजिकल. साइंस ऑफ हेरिडिटी इज कॉल्ड जेनेटिक्स. साइंस ऑफ हेरिडिटी क्या कहते हैं? जेनेटिक्स. टू रन अवे विद द लवर is called elope. To run over the lover is called elope. With much live lines and sense of purpose is called jonutility. Seeing something which is not actually present, कुछ देखना जो कि प्रेजेंट ना, उसे कहते हैं hallucination कहते हैं. द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हैविंग मोर देन वन हस्बैंड इज कॉल्ड पॉलीडेंड्री. calmness and the indifferent to suffering, calmness and indifference of the suffering is called stoicism. Person who insect and adherence to formal rule or literacy meaning is called pedant. Word of the similar meaning is called synonymous. वर्ड ऑफ द सिमिलर मीनिंग, जहाँ पे वर्ड सिमिलर हो उसे हम कहते हैं सिनोनिम. टू बी नो फॉर बैड एक्ट, इट इज़ कॉल्ड नोटोरियस. टू बी द बैड एक्ट, कोई बैड अगर एक्ट करे तो उसे कहते हैं नोटोरियस. बिलोंगिंग टू ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ड, बिलोंग करना ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ड से हम कहते हैं यूनिवर्सल. One who tend to take a hopeful views. One who tend to take a hopeful view of life is called optimistic. Instrument to measure the atmospheric pressure. ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को कह रहे हैं उसे कहते हैं बोरोमीटर. द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सबमिटिंग अ प्रपोजल टू पॉपुलर vote. The practice of the submitting a proposal to popular vote is called referendum. An object or portion serving a sample, object or portion serving a sample is called specimen. Not to be moved by entreaty is called despotic. Not to be moved by entreaty is called despotic. To renounce a high position of the authority, or control is called abdicate. Code of diplomatic authentic and precedence. Code of diplomatic authentic and precedence is called protocol. To struggle करना helpless is called folder कहलाता है. Loss of money लॉस ऑफ मनी कहलाता है एमिनशिया, लॉस ऑफ मनी कहलाता है एमिनशिया। रिलीज ऑफ अ prisoner फ्रॉम जेल ऑन अ सर्टेन टर्म, रिलीज ऑफ अ prisoner फ्रॉम जेल ऑन अ सर्टेन टर्म एंड कंडीशन, उसे कहते हैं हम पैरोरोल, पैरारोल। जब हम किसी प्रिजनर को जेल से रिमूव करते हैं कुछ टर्म और कंडीशन से, तो हम कहते हैं पैरारोल। फीलिंग इनसाइड विच विल टेल यू, फीलिंग इनसाइड विच टेल यू व्हाट इज़ अ राइट एंड व्हाट इज़ अ रॉन्ग। फीलिंग हो हमारी इनसाइड जहाँ पे हम कुछ राइट और रॉन्ग समझ, उसे हम कहते हैं कौन साइंस, उसे हम कहते हैं कौन साइंस। एंड इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑन अ टॉम, जो इंस्क्रिप्शन लिखा था टॉम पे उसे कहते हैं epitaph. To look at someone in an agree and threading away, to look at someone on agree on threading away is called glower. Penetrating to cattle is called bovine. Penetrating of cattle is called bovine. A person, कोई पर्सन, वो राइट डिकोरेटिवली, ए पर्सन राइट डिकोरेटिवली इज कॉल्ड कैलियोग्राफर, जो राइट करता है डेकोरेटिवली, सॉरी, जब पर्सन राइट करता है डेकोरेटिवली उसे कहते हैं कैलियोग्राफर, उसे कहते हैं कैलियोग्राफर। समथिंग दैट कॉज डेथ, कुछ ऐसा जिसकी वजह से डेथ, उसे कहते हैं फैटल, जिसकी वजह से डेथ उसे कहते हैं फैटल। अ पोस्ट विद लिटिल वर्क विद हाई सैलरी, ऐसी पोस्ट जहाँ पे काम कम हो और हाई सैलरी हो, उसे हम कहते हैं साइनोस्कोर, उसे कहते हैं साइनोस्क्योर। अ टेस्ट इन विच सेल फ्रॉम डिजीज्ड ऑर्गन एंड रिमूव फ्रॉम द टेस्टीज, ए सेल जहाँ पे डिसीज ऑर्गन हो और रिमूव एंड टेस्टीज, उसे कहते हैं बायोफेसी, उसे कहा जाता है बायोफेसी। वन वू कंपाइलर अ डिक्शनरी, वन वू कंपाइल्स अ डिक्शनरी इज कॉल्ड लेक्सिकोग्राफर। क्यूबिल टू अवॉइड गिविंग अ डायरेक्ट आंसर टू अ क्वेश्चन इन ऑर्डर टू हाइड द ट्रूथ। ठीक है, क्यूबाइल मतलब क्या होता है कि अवॉइड करना, डायरेक्ट आंसर देने की वजह कुछ ट्रुथ को हाइड करना, उसे कहते हैं प्रीवेरिकेंट, उसे कहा जाता है प्रीवेरिकेंट, उसे कहते हैं हम प्रीवेरिकेंट। वर्ड अटर इम्पॉइजनली अबाउट गॉड, वर्ड्स उत्तर इम्पोजली अबाउट द गॉड इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लास्फेमी, इज कॉल्ड एज ए ब्लास्फेमी। अ पर्सन हु हैज़ नो मनी टू पे ऑफ हिज डेबिट, इसे कहते हैं हम इंसॉल्वेंट, उसे कहते हैं हम इंसॉल्वेंट, उसे हम कहते हैं इंसॉल्वेंट। लिस्ट ऑफ द डिसीज, लिस्ट ऑफ द इशू टू बी डिस्कस्ड एट अ मीटिंग, लिस्ट ऑफ द इशू, ऐसे इशू होना जिसे हम डिस्कस करें मीटिंग में, उसे कहते हैं एजेंडा। कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज जो हमें डिस्कस करने हैं मीटिंग में, उसे कहते हैं हम एजेंडा। द स्टडी ऑफ इंसेक्ट, जो स्टडी होती है इंसेक्ट को, उसे कहते हैं इंटोमोलॉजी, उसे कहते हैं इंटोमोलॉजी। थीफ ऑफ अनदर पर्सन राइटिंग और आइडिया एंड पासिंग देम ऑफ एन ओन वन ओन। thief of another person thief of another person thief of another person writing an idea and passing them off one of the own, उस कहते हैं plagiarism, उसे कहते हैं plagiarism। the place where public government और historical record are kept, ऐसी place जहाँ पे पब्लिक और गवर्नमेंट और हिस्टोरिकल रिकॉर्ड को कैप्ट किया जाता है, उसे कहते हैं आर्चीव, उसे कहते हैं हम आर्चीव। स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ वन डायरेक्शन, स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ वन डायरेक्शन इज कॉल्ड वेलोसिटी। in a threatening manner is called gastroli, in a threatening manner is called a gastroli। a person who penetrate to be what is right what is not, a person who penetrate to be what is not is called imposter। one who find nothing good in anything, one who find nothing good in anything, critic that which cannot be easily read, illegible, that cannot be easily read, incalable। the process of deciding the nature of disease by the examination diagnosis, the process of deciding, ऐसा process decide करना, the nature of disease by the examination diagnose। the quality of being polite, the quality of being polite, firm and demanding in assertive is called assertive। वन वो ईट ह्यूमन फ्लैशी, ऐसा जो बंदा फ्लैशी ह्यूमन फ्लैशी करे उसे कहते हैं हम नरभक्षी। कैनिन बैल कहते हैं उसे कहते हैं नरभक्षी। अ पर्सन वो इज़ फ्लुएंट इन टू लैंग्वेज, जो पर्सन दो लैंग्वेज बोले बाईलैंग्वेज कहते हैं। स्टेट ऑफ अनॉक्सिटी एंड डिसमे कॉज मेंटल confusion is called consternation. A person who love wealth and spend and a little money as possible उसे कहते हैं मीजर। A person who loves wealth and spend a money as possible measure. Fear of water hydrophobia, fear of water hydrophobia. Easy duplicate or fooled, easy duplicate or fooled is called gullible. Animal that can live on land and water, that can live on live on land and water is amphibian. Hard writing that cannot be read, hard handwriting that cannot be read, illegible. To feel and express disapproval of something or someone, deprecate. To keep a great person, to keep a great person or even to people memory. Commemorate occurring at an irregular interval time, occurring at regular interval in time इनका है sporadic. A lover of books is called bibliophile. A person who withdrawn from what to live a celebration of often in solitude is called recluse. To agree to something is called assent. A body, a person appoint to be hear evidence or give their verdict in trials, jury. A person जो अपॉइंट किया जाता है एविडेंस हेयर सुनता है, एविडेंस सुनता है, गिव द पर्टिकुलर ट्रायल इज कॉल्ड जूरी. अ पर्सन अ सिचुएशन दैट स्टॉप टू एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम द प्रोग्रेसिंग इज कॉल्ड बैटल नेक इज कॉल्ड अ बैटल नेक. A person who dishonestly pretended to be somebody else imposter. A violent storm को क्या कहते हैं tempest. A violent storm को कहते हैं tempest. Careful or although inquiry investigation. Falling to discharge on one duty willfully is called dereliction. A legal agreement by which a person borrow money from a bank, usually to buy a house is called mortgage. A person legally agreement by which a person borrow money from a bank usually to buy a house is called mortgage कहते हैं उसे, जो कि अभी हम हैं. The movement to part of the body to express an idea or feeling is gesture. A child born after the death of his father is called चाइल्ड बोर्न आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द फादर. एक चाइल्ड जो जन्म लेता है डेथ ऑफ द फादर उसे कहते हैं पोस्थोमस चाइल्ड. उसे कहा जाता है पोस्थोमस चाइल्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, अ पर्सन हु इज फिजिकली डिपेंडेंट ऑफ A person who is physically dependent on substance. A person is physically dependent on substance. It called addicted. A person who physically dependent on substance is called addicted. A cure of all disease is called pancreas. A cure of all disease is called pancreas. A raised platform in building called it walk away. System of naming things nomenclature. One who hate women misogynist. Able to use right hand left hand equally well. able to write equally hand right hand equally उसे कहते हैं ambidextrous. Capable of being interpreted in two way, ambiguous. One who has narrow and prejudiced religion views is called fanatic. The action of looking within or onto one on mind is called introspect. Is called a introspect. To confirm with the help of evidence is called implicated. A person who love mankind philanthropistic. A person who love mankind philanthropic, full of criticism or mockery. Full of criticism or mockery is called satire. An agreement between two country or group to be stop fighting. An agreement between two country or group of stop fighting is called ceasefire. This is called ceasefire. Excessively into excessively enthusiastic and unreasonable excited about something, जो कि मेरे में सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. Excessively enthusiastic and unreasonable excited about something is called fanatical. उसे कहते हैं fanatical. I am a fanatical girl. Intense, I am also fanatical girls. Intense or unreasonable fear or dislike. Intense of unreasonable or fear of dislike, phobia. To be dogmatic in one opinion is called opinionate. High sea wave caused by the underwater earthquake, tsunami. A voice that cannot be heard, inaudible. The absence of law and order, anarchy. The absence of law and anarchy. One who intervenes between two and more parties, difference. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle difference, intermediary. To give one authority to another. To give one authority to another is called delegate. Body of singer is called shore. A thing likely to be easily broken. A thing like to be easily broken, brittle. A animal story with moral fable. A study of ancient civilization. Archaeology कहलाते हैं. A disease which is spread the direct contract. A disease direct contract contagious. A disease जो कि भी कोरोना चल रही है ना हमारी. A disease which is spread by direct contact is called contagious. Last only for short while is called temporary. A number of stars grouped together, constellation. Animal that feed on plant, herbaceous. Use of force or threat to get someone to agree something ill, curiosity. फोर्स करना, किसी को थ्रेड करना, टू एग्री समथिंग इज कॉल्ड क्यूरियोसिस. मर्डर ऑफ अ मैन, होम्योसाइड. मर्डर ऑफ द मैन इज कॉल्ड होम्योसाइड. स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक बिटवीन टू पर्सन, एंटीपैथी. दैट विच इज विदाउट द अपोजिशन, एनमोनियस. अ प्लांट वेजिटेशन ऑफ द रीजन इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरा. अ प्लांट एंड वेजिटेशन ऑफ द रीजन इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरा. अ किलिंग ऑफ whole group of people. The killing of whole group of people is called genocide. A killing of the people whole group is called genocide. A remedy of all disease is pancreas. The plant vegetation flora related to moon, lunar. The art of preserving skin of animal and bird flesh is called taxidermy. भाई कोई आर्ट है प्रिवेंस करना स्किन किसकी, एनिमल की, बर्ड की फ्लैश, उसे कहते हैं टैक्सीडर्मी. अ पर्सन, अ पेपर रिटन बाय हैंड. ए पेपर जो रिटन बाय हैंड उसे कहते हैं मॉन्यूस्क्रिप्ट. उसे कहा जाता है मॉन्यूस्क्रिप्ट. प्लेस वेयर वाइन इज मेड. ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पे शराब बनती है उसे कहते हैं बेवरे. फाउंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल. समथिंग कैप्ट एज ए रिमाइंडर ऑफ एन इवेंट, स्लोवेनियन. Scale used to measuring the strength of the earthquake is called Richter. One who practice one of the fine art is called artist. A general paradigm of the the general paradigm of the often is called amnesty. Established principle of the practical wisdom is called maximum. The process of by which a person and organization reduce the amount of money it is called budgeting. A figure of speech by which a figure of speech by which a thing is spoken as a being that is only resemble is called smiley. That is called smiley. Very dramatic very dramatic histrionic. To secretly storm more than what is allowed, horned. One who does not make mistake infallible. One who make not mistake infallible. A written statement about something character usually provided by an employer and testimony. Part of the country behind the coastal or river bank is called hinterland. Part of the country behind the coast and river bank is called hinterland. An abandoned child of unknown parent who is found by somebody. किसी को कोई चाइल्ड मिलता है, उसको पेरेंट तो उसे कहते हैं फाउंड लेनिंग. राइट ऑफ आर्ट ऑफ द राइटिंग ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन इज कॉल्ड जर्नलिज्म. A person who gambler of belt is called ponter. Place that provide the refuse as so long. Doing something to according one free well voluntary. The foreigner who settle in a country immigrant. A small room in a big house, hotel, ship where glasses, dishes, spoon, food and called pantry. Government of the people by the people for the people is called democracy. Something that is difficult to believe, incredible. The height of the object above sea level is called altitude. Group of the people living together in the same locality, neighborhood. Always ready to attack, quarrelly, aggressively. Fit to be eaten, edible. Unfair advantage of member of own family, nepotism. Unfair है जो advantage लेते हैं family own family को, उसे कहते हैं nepotism, जो कि इंडस्ट्री में बहुत है. A proficient public speaker is called orator. The proficient public speaker होते हैं उसे हम orator कहते हैं. One who eat both vegetable and meat, omnivorous. जो vegetable और meat दोनों खाता है उसे कहते हैं omnivorous. One who gain benefit from the something is called beneficiary. Spoken or done without the preparation is called extempore. बोलना विदाउट द प्रिपरेशन कॉल एक्सटोम्पोर. फ्लुएंट एंड क्लियर इन स्पीच, आर्टिकुलेट. थ्रू विच लाइट कैन नॉट बी पास, ओपेक. टू राइट अंडर अ डिफरेंट नेम, pseudonym. A person who is well known as unfavorable way. The person who is well known unfavorable way is notorious. The first speech made by a person, Madan. A man having no hair, no clip is called bald. A man where the waste his money on luxury. A man who wastes his money on luxury is called extravagant. A geometrical figure with 8 sides, octagon. The injury of one reputation is called defame. A man who does not know how to read and write, illiterate. One who speak for other, spokesman. Soldier who fight on horseback is cavalry. Rebellion against unlawful authorities called mutiny. To officially take private property away to reside, confiscate. Someone having money skill is called versatile. Something which is imagined to be real but actually does not exist, figment. Someone who specially study the bird, ornithologist. A person who cannot make a mistake, infallible. One who love all mankind is called philanthropist. One who is out of the destroy the government, anarchist. Liable to be easy broken, brittle. One who eat human flesh, cannibal. One who perform during gymnastic feat is called acrobat. The list of book available in library. The book of list available in a library is called catalog. A style in which a writer make display of the knowledge, pedantic. A bite like a rat, gnaw. A place of good climate for invalid Santorism. Speech for the first time, Maidan speech. A woman with dark brown hair. A woman with dark brown hair is called brunette. One who hate women, misogynist. The study of collection of coin is called numinist. An office with a salary but no work. A office with a salary but no work. Sinecure is called sinecure. That which may be easily broken, brittle. That is may be broken easily, brittle. Property inherited from one father or ancestor is patrimony. Is called a patrimony.